We'll be constructing a triangle using our ruler, compass, and pencil. So the first thing we're going to draw is a baseline AB with using your T-square or your ruler. Then we're going to use the ruler and the pencil to measure 7 centimeters on this line that we drew previously. That's 7 centimeters or 70 millimeters. So we're going to label this point A. We're going to label this point B, okay? Or the next thing we're going to do, we're going to measure the distance of AC, which is 4 centimeters. So we're going to put the compass at A and mark the arc 4 centimeters from A with the point at A. Then we're going to measure 5 centimeters, put the compass point at B and mark an arc to intersect the previous arc drawn. Where the two arcs intersect, we're going to label this point C. Then we're going to use our pencil and our ruler to draw BC. Then we're going to use the pencil and ruler to also join AC. And this is our scalene triangle ABC. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to label the drawing now. So to construct a triangle given the three sides. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we drew a triangle, and in the next video, we'll be drawing a similar triangle to this triangle, but with a different perimeter on the similar triangle. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. So please take care until then. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.